Hello and welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. All right, so all right, happy Christmas, compliment of the season to you. I'm expecting my Christmas cake and all from most of you. All right, don't forget that. Guys, here you should bless me. Don't forget that you should bless the blesser. God bless you. So we're going to be in the key of C sharp today. I just want to show you the chords I just played now. Right, I got this chord from Lydian dominant scale, just to let you know. We're going to be in the key of C sharp. That has a C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp. We're going flat today, C and then C sharp. So I'm going to be doing this, right? So 2-5-1 is a chord progression that ends your song. We have a 2-5-1. Another London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down, All right, so I want to show you those 2-5-1 chords, right? So I got them from Lydian dominant scale. If you don't understand Lydian dominant scale, just check below this video. Somewhere below you're gonna see where I showed that scale, right? So today, maybe you have a song. How excellent is your name? How excellent is your name? How excellent is your name? Hola. How excellent is your name? How excellent is your name? How excellent is your name? Adding a ninth. So let me show you the chord. The two chord goes right. So on left you have our 2, sharp 4. Sounds funny. Sharp 11, right? And a 1. Yeah. So on our right, I don't really name the chord because there's a theory I actually have behind it. So and I'm still going to explain that more. So let me just call the notes since I can do them in every key. So we have a E flat, G and D flat on our right, on our left hand. E flat, G and D flat. On right you have a F. It's looking like a, what's it called? It's looking like an upper structure chord, but that's really not. I'm going to explain. I took the chord actually from a Lydian scale, right? So from what's it called? Actually from what's it called? A flat Lydian scale, which goes like this: 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm gonna check the video where I actually explain the Lydian scale. All right, so we have a E flat, G and D flat on the left. On the right you have a F major. Then the 5 chord goes like this. We have a A flat, D flat, A flat, E flat and F sharp. Right on our right we have a F sharp. That's a F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, and then C sharp. Then the 1 chord goes like this. Right, we have a D flat, F, A flat, C, E flat, F, A flat, C, and E flat. So it goes like this. Okay, so let me explain. The scale actually goes like this. We have a 1 Lydian scale is actually just a scale that has your the 4th degree scale that has a sharpened 4th. So in the key of C sharp that will look like this: 1, 2, 3. Then instead of 4 you have a sharpened 4. Then you have a 5, 6, 7, and then back to your 1. But Lydian dominant scale actually has 1. It has a sharpened 4th and then a flattened 7th. So we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So ba 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 ba. Right. So that is that. That is that. That is that. Right. So don't forget to click the subscribe button for more, and don't forget I'll do this in every other key. And then if you need the explanation, more explanation also, just check below this video where I wrote difference between Lydian scale and Lydian dominant scale. Yeah, I explained everything there already. God bless you. Bye.